You are watching this on the Hungry Gizmo channel. We now return to our normal programming.
Hey, you people, do you ever wonder what Gizmo's advertising budget is? And let me show you. Yep, that's all I got. We're not gonna let that stop us. We're gonna get this video as far across the web as I can with the knowledge I got. Opening up the valve to that pipe to what is
Gizmolandia.
You see, ton of YouTube channels out there right now, and they're all making money on what I consider stolen Creative Commons videos.
Shut up! You can't steal Creative Commons. That's the whole point, you idiot.
You are watching the Hungry Gizmo channel. Ahora, regresamos to the Hungry Gizmo channel. Okay, come on, you know what they're doing. They're milking that sweet, sweet YouTube algorithm.
Gizmo. Hungry Gizmo.
Welcome back to the Hungry Gizmo channel.
What the heck, Gizmo? What do you care? You know, you post something Creative Commons, it's what you expect. It's within their legal right.
Yeah. I know. But that's not the point. You don't get it. Okay. These goons, they're going to be posting content a million times over. They might be doing it manually. They might be doing it with bots. Point is, people are going to be seeing these redistributed creative content posts. Are you starting to see this video right here? Creative, let's make it public domain. It's yours. The people's. Take it. I know some of you are clever. You're gonna cut out every
Welcome to the Hungry Gizmo
out
channel.
of this video. I don't care. Not your bots, not your serial reposter. The only Creative Commons public domain video on the Hungry Gizmo channel. Yeah, come check out the channel. Is this plan gonna work? Might not. Just an idea. But if it does...
Welcome to the Hungry Gizmo channel.
We've got technology help, stop motion animation, survival.